Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create an organizational chart in Google Sheets. So let's get started. The first thing that you will have to do is, of course, open your spreadsheet. And now that you're here, you'll just have to prepare your data. So you will basically have to use two columns or more. It really depends on you. So as you can see, I have two columns here. So for my column A, it's employee, and for my column B, it's manager. So now that you have your data, you will just have to select both of them or highlight them. And after you've highlighted both columns, you will just have to click insert, which is right here, and then go ahead and look for chart feature. So just go ahead and click that as well, and wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just have to look for your right side sidebar panel, and then you will change your chart type to organizational chart. So go ahead and look for it. So you'll just have to scroll down until you see organizational chart. So after you see it, you will just have to click it. And as you can see, there's our chart, our organizational chart, and you could also customize it to your liking or preferences. It really depends on you. So yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.